you. The chimney. You mother.
You good?
Yeah, it's fine. What is going on here?
Big joke, big mess right here. We had a leaky rear timing cover, rear structure, so we're resealing that right now.
Welcome, guys. We're going to talk about a couple issues. D13. We're just going to do a quick walk around. That's we've had it for a while. This is the one that we bought. The whole seat wasn't really.
The last time that we didn't check.
And they weren't really taken care of. Yeah. So we're kind of working at them as we go. So what was the problem here?
The rear timing cover was leaking pretty bad. That, and it was also having clutch issues, so perfect time to do both. To address the leak and do the clutch, obviously.
So wait, and that's taking you so long?
Just for a clutch job? The parts was an issue.
The parts were...
Because we're also updating the gears too. Because that common failure on the idler gear.
Yeah.
So we're waiting on that.
What else is missing? What else is not on the back quarter?
We have the plate. I think the flywheel housing might be another issue that we're having right now.
So when do you think it's going to be done? Another week?
As long as we get the parts. That's what
end
we're
of the
waiting
week,
on right now.
Did you find
radiator on there as well? Water pump.
Oh really?
Yeah, new radiator, new water.
What else?
Pump.
What else did you? The tank is new too, right?
Yeah, new reservoir.
You know why I call it the tank? I always call it the tank because I can't pronounce reservoir. How does the cam look like? How is the?
That's in good condition. There's no scoring on it, no scratches.
What about?
We did the overhead when we first bought it. We're gonna run it again. We haven't done it because it's just on that jack right now. We don't want the engine.
Yeah. But you didn't see any damage or any worn out parts?
No, it was running fine. Only thing is that we're gonna replace the air compressor because that is pushing oil into the air system. So we have to remove it anyway, so we might as well replace it.
Yeah. Did you do the idler gear already and the bull gear?
Not yet. We ordered them.
We ordered them.
Yeah,
So okay. I wasn't sure if we already had them. I hadn't been here for a week at least in the shop on next door.
Working on the new podcast.
Yeah, I know. No, yeah, we do have a new podcast, which I was gonna shoot a new podcast episode maybe this week over there. But we'll give you a little tour. It's my office next door that I just repainted. Anything else here that you found? Other than that, I would say how many miles did we put in on the truck?
I would say 80,000.
Yeah,
around there, yeah.
And those that's one of the trucks that has been pre-COVID, so we didn't pay much for it, but right now it's triple the money. Have you seen the video that I did with the two Volvos?
Yeah.
And it's 60, they were like mid 60s and
hey, what were you doing under the hood?
Which hood?
On that truck.
I was checking expertise level inspection, you know. No, I was I did like the codes for the injectors, and just like the second one was towed, which had a bunch of SCR and emission codes, and I was just
and
like,
then for the price 60,
it doesn't make sense. They have to, you know, fix it. And
this one we're addressing the after treatment system too. You can see all that depth. We had a leaky dozer. Look at all that depth going to the SCR.
yeah. Yeah. Hey, there's one right here.
And
that I was going to ask you
for this one. That's the lower module for this, the outlet module.
I was going to ask you. Did you see this? Is this from this truck?
Yeah, that's from this truck. Look at that.
Yeah. That's crazy.
So no power loss, nothing, no complaints from the driver at all whatsoever. Yeah, I'm surprised, bro. Like that's crazy. So that was addressed a while ago when we got it. We welded this crack, but then there's another common crack that they get, which is on this flange.
Which is harder to weld.
Harder to weld, yeah.
We should send it out to the shop. I don't want to play with it. We should just send it out, have them re-welded, because why is it hard to weld?
The depth so you got two different flanges in this tank right here, and that depth buildup is right behind that crack. When you try to weld it, it's not sticky.
Yeah. Yeah, I was going to ask you, what truck was this from?
Yeah,
that's crazy.
Same issue with this one, 101.
Crazy depth buildup. Okay, cool. That's it, right? Nothing else here?
No, engine mount, basics.
Yeah.
These are the new ones.
Okay. Why did you decide to swap them?
One, they were cracked and we're already there. The other ones were cracked.
Good call.
We got new cap shocks, everything in the back.
Okay. Yeah, everything else standard, nothing crazy. So that's it for this one. Short walk around one of our D13 updates. And yeah, subscribe, share, and we'll talk to you soon.